Tips for a peer critique by me, Anna Cicada, an author and an educator. First, I would start critiquing published books so nobody feels offended and you can model and teach them how to do it in a constructive way. Then, I love this All Hands on Decks by Elise Myers, and it's from a blog, and I put information there. And it's really fun, like that they can touch their brain if they're confused, they can smile if they like it, they can put thumbs up if they can relate it to the character. So while you're telling the stories, they can be doing that, and it's a very fun and not offensive way to show how they feel about the story. Also, Liz Myers has some sentence stems, so you can use the sentence starters or sentence stems to guide that. Oh, I like this, but what if that? I don't know what they meant by that. So, in a way, teach them and guide them how to say things in a nice way. Um, and then do the sandwich critique, right? Positive, the suggestions, and then positive again. So the sandwich starts with the positive, then suggestions, then positive. In the suggestions, of course, here there are some suggestions from me on how to guide the students on what to talk about. Then, of course, the positive again for the sandwich feedback, and they can motivate the students why they keep working on what they are working, or keep writing, or keep illustrating. Then you let them brainstorm. I really love to see my students interact with each other, brainstorm in pairs, small groups. So if the student has like some suggestions, he could ask the students, how can I incorporate those suggestions? They can all talk about the suggestions, about the ideas, what they think in small groups so they feel more like comfortable about it. Let them be silly, doodle, brainstorm, draw. And the same thing when they start let the ideas marinate in their heads because that's normally what we writers need. We when we receive feedback, we need to let it sink in. Sometimes we feel, oh, that's not a good idea, but then I say, oh, what if I use that idea this way? So let them marinate the ideas, let them discuss with each other, and then revise, review, repeat as many times or possible or as many times needed. Muchas gracias. I have many presentations about other topics at my annafiction.com a newsletter, and I have my YouTube and a teacher writer. And I'm available for school visits. Muchas gracias.